Welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make capsicum omelette and cauliflower curry with boiled egg. For making cauliflower curry with boiled egg, I took 3 slated boiled egg. Now I will rub half a teaspoon salt and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder with this boiled egg. Mix well the spices and keep aside for 5 minutes. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a teaspoon oil. After oil is hot, add the boiled egg one by one over medium to high heat. Fry the boiled egg for 2 minutes. In the same remaining oil, fry the boiled potato. I have peeled the potato and cut into big pieces. Lightly fry the potato. Don't make it brown. Take out the fried potato. Now in the same way, fry a small size cauliflower by adding some salt and turmeric powder. Please ignore the electricity problem. In a grinder jar, add half inch ginger to green chili, roughly chopped an onion and a tomato, 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Blend the onion, tomato, garlic, green chili and ginger into smooth paste. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a tablespoon oil, add 2 small pieces of cinnamon and a cardamom and 2 bay leaf. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant. Then add our onion tomato paste. Over high heat, stir for 3 minutes. Reduce the heat, add a teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon cumin powder, a teaspoon garam masala powder and a teaspoon salt. Stir evenly and cook until the spices release oil. Mix well. Now add half a glass water. Bring it to boil. Then add the boiled and fried potato. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over high heat. Then add our fried cauliflower. Now add some salt according to your taste. Cook for another 2 minutes over high heat. Then add the fried and boiled egg. Cook for 3 minutes over high heat. Then turn off the heat, put a lid. Our nutritious cauliflower curry with boiled egg is ready for serving. Serve this recipe with steamed rice or roti. Our second egg recipe is egg omelette with capsicum. For making this recipe, I took 2 egg and 2 red capsicum. Firstly, cut the red capsicum into thin strips. Turn on the heat, put a kadai. Add a teaspoon oil. After oil is hot, add the capsicum strips. Add quarter teaspoon salt. Fry the capsicum over high heat. Stir continuously for 2 minutes. Then take it out. Add the green capsicum. Fry in the same way. Take it out. Now put a tawa. Add a teaspoon oil. After oil is hot, break the egg one by one and put into the tawa one by one. Cook for half minute. Then sprinkle some black pepper powder. If we add black pepper powder in this recipe, it will enhance the flavor. Now add some salt according to your taste. Now add the fried red capsicum. Spread it. Now flip the omelette and cook for another 2 minutes. Our capsicum omelette is ready for serving. Serve this nutritious and delicious capsicum omelette with bread. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.